Number one, please guys, hit the subscribe. Okay, hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification. Why? That way I will send you my latest videos that I upload every single day. You'll be the first to see them, the first to see the new make money methods that I've got. You'll be the first to read my affiliate reviews, and it means you'll be the first to start making money. It's simple. So hit the subscribe guys, hit the bell. I would really, really appreciate it. Now the other thing I'm doing for you guys is I'm offering you some free training, and I mean 100% free. If you go to the comments below the video, you'll see it will say get my free training here. Just click that link there and that will take you through to 7 videos that I've put together for you guys, all about affiliate marketing. It will show you what I do, how to select offers, and how to start making money online, exactly like I do. And I'm giving you those videos for free, just for hitting subscribe, hitting my bell, and liking my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. So guys, we're just going to quickly jump across to my channel if you haven't seen it. This is it here. There's hundreds of videos all about making money online. And the one at the top here is my featured video of the week. This is the best method currently for making money online. So guys, please have a look at these videos. There's some great ways to make money online there. And the bottom line is anyone can make money online. You've just got to take action. All right, take action guys, and you can do it, especially if you follow my methods. Right, let's get on with today's video. So the first video I want you to go to today is Get Paid To. Okay, it's getpaid2.com. And that will take you to this front page where it says earn money every time you go online. What happens is basically you will carry out a number of different actions here and you get points. The more points you get, the more prizes you get, either money or vouchers, but I'll show you in a second. So there's a number of things you can do on this website. You can take a survey, you can play games, you can watch videos, and there's offers walls as well. So let me just hit that. So let's have a look at videos first of all. You do the tasks, you fill in the survey, you watch a video, you play a game, you earn points. 5,000 points equals $1, okay? And then you get paid. And you can redeem it for cash, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, or gift cards, okay? So if we go into videos, it says we've got some of the best walls with short clips. Now this is what I like about this. The videos are not long. They're a music video, they're a trailer, there's some random clips, and they're basically, why they're doing this is they're putting these things out to test them just before they go sort of live on the internet or on the cinema, because you'll see some trailers for big movies on here. They're just trying it out. So all you do is you sign up to your Get Paid account, which is all free. You watch your video, make sure you click the clip and watch it, and then you receive your points. Now, the one thing I found about this is you have to watch the video from start to finish. Don't forward the bar to speed it up. Don't stop watching it halfway through because you will not get your points. You have to watch it from start to finish. And for the videos, these are some of the ways you can get cashed out. Bank transfer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Amazon, or PayPal. Okay. So let's just hit back home. So that's for the videos one. I recommend the videos one because it's easy to watch and it's quite good. There's a survey, and now people don't like filling out surveys. I appreciate that. But the benefit of doing surveys on here is they pay out quite well in the points. So you get points quite quickly. And again, everything's the same as the other ones. And these are some of the companies that do it. And what you do is you just click it, sign up to that one there, sign up to that one there, and you can make money on there. Games, yep, games are good. I play with them. Very basic games, guys, and nothing too taxing. You normally have to play about 5 minutes of the game, and then you give some feedback on it. But there are some good games here. This Knife Smash I played, that's not bad. Again, exactly the same way it pays out, exactly the same way you earn. There's puzzle games, arcade games, strategy games, card games, all sorts there. Again, that's another good one to look at. and then we just hit home again, and then you've got what's called offer walls. This is all about completing online tasks. So it might say, put an email address in, complete a capture box, you know, select the traffic light thing, look at an ad, do you like it? Do you like this CPA offer? So it's just giving you some feedback on stuff. Again, that is really easy. There's some big networks in there. Offer Toro's big, Peanut Labs is big, AdGate Media's big, Capture's obviously massive. Loads of little tasks there that you guys can do as well. So it's a really good website. All you need to do to sign up is hit join, fill in all this, do it properly, guys. A lot of people put in moody addresses and stuff. Don't do that. Put it in right, because you're not going to get paid. You'll then get a confirmation email, hit that, and you are off and running. Now, the other question I often get asked is, do these sites actually work, Bobby? And they do. And the best way to check it is to go over to Trustpilot. So I typed in getpaid.com, and you can see here reviews. It has got 5 stars, guys. 5 stars, okay? Excellent site. Trust it to get paid. The payout options are simple. Apps are excellent. This site can earn money. This site is good for making money. What more do you want? This site works if you take action, okay? So I highly recommend it. Getpaid2.com. Another great way of making simple money. Now, I said I was going to show you another website, which I'm going to do now. I don't normally do 2 in one video. There is another one called swagbucks.com. Swagbucks.com. Not as good in my opinion as Get Paid, but another excellent website. And here you get, again, it's points where you get gift cards or PayPal. They've paid out over £220 million so far. Okay. And it works exactly the same way. Sign up. There's a quick sign up with Facebook if you want to do that, which is really, really good. And it's all about exactly the same. Testing apps, shopping online, answering surveys, watching videos, discovering offers, searching the web. So this is, some of these you download a little Chrome extension to search the web, some of them you don't. Playing games, mobile app. There's a bit more to do in this one than the others. But again, another really, really good app that you can make some money in. Okay, you can make money with this. It's a great way. It's another super method. Okay, let me just shut that down. You get paid in cash, Amazon gift cards, or various other gift cards that they do. Here you go. And again, if you refer people, you get money as well. Then they also do a reward thing here, which is interesting, where you can buy, like this, a John Lewis £25 gift card and get 23% off it, which is interesting. And there's just some reviews there that people put on there. Some of these are spammy reviews, which people do all the time. But that is, that is swagbucks. Guys, that is really good. That is my website. Let me just show you before you go my review website. As you know, I'm an affiliate marketer. BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com, BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com, and these are reviews of make money online products that I promote. Okay, there's loads on there, guys. Sign up to my box if you want to, and you'll go onto my list, and I'll send you the latest offers. Web hosting, if you're looking for that, that is the only web hosting that I recommend, SiteGround. But really, really good website. There's hundreds of videos on there, all about making money online, all about making you guys money, and it works, guys. These methods work if you take action. It's my #1 rule. So that's it. Many thanks for listening. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. Hit the subscribe, guys. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell. I would appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next